She's back. She's back. I am gonna take this makeup look from Girl Next Door to Who's That Whore?
Cut the cameras.
Just joking. Let's go from Girl Next Door to Better Than Before.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Say one was going out for the evening. Not that I do those things because I am a hermit. I was gonna go out. Let's level up this makeup, if you will. I like to take a look from day to night. It's more in the eyes. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury Colour Chameleon. I think it's an eyeshadow pencil in Pillow Talk. This over my eyelid. Ooh, pretty. I'm a simple woman. That looks nice. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath, like this bit. Oh yes.
Oh yes.
I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Soul Gazer Intensifying Gel Eyeliner in Depth. Do a little smudgy wing. I'm just gonna take this like flat brush just to neaten out the little flick on the end. I'm gonna add a bit more mascara because we want to look a bit more dramatic with the eyes. Do my brows. Since dyeing my hair red, I've been using this NYX brow powder in Black Cherry, which has a little bit of like a red tint. Okay, the brows are done. Next, I'm going to do a bit more like bronzer blush, but a little bit more intense. So I'm going to use some powder products. R.E.M. powder bronzer in the shade Solar Storm. You get more of an intense look using powder products than you would cream, because I feel like cream gives you more of a natural finish. I'm going to add some powder blush. I'm going in with the Hourglass one. I'm going to use a little bit of this Rare Beauty highlighter just on the tip of my nose. Look at that. And in the corners of my eye. Finally onto the lip, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty lip pencil in Thugz Blush 2. This is one of my favourite lip liners at the moment. Then I'm going to use the shade 2 Lip Kiss in the Gloss Bomb Stix. I'm going to go over with this Fenty gloss. This is the shade Champ Stamp Fantasy. This is a new one, I think. It just looks so pretty. Yeah, she's stunning. And that is what I would do to go from Girl Next Door to Better Than Before. That was my little day tonight, but I feel like the lip and the eyes really mesh well together. And now I'm gonna sit in front of the TV, looking good, feeling good, and then I'm gonna wash my face and go to bed. So, bon voyage.